the scores, ladies and gentlemen, to the Vinegar Cream, Homeboyz 0, Stanbic Mwamba. The biggest cheer that we can set for the Stanbic Mwamba. Let's hear it for the winners of the prinsloo 7, Stanbic
Mwamba. We didn't perform quite well in Dala, but I think coming into this tournament we really wanted to perform well. And I think starting from the first game, it was a tough pool, which we had KCB, I think Northern Suburbs and Mombasa. It was a tough pool, but I think coming through that pool gave us some confidence. And I think coming to this day too, we really had to work hard. We just decided to focus on our strengths and also improve where we were found wanting in Dala.